Good morning, viewers. Well, it's 4 a.m. and I'm up, which in and of itself is an event. And I'm by myself because Sarah didn't want to be up. So where I'm going is an exciting thing though. I'm heading to Elkhart Lake, which is home of Road America, which is home of an annual vintage car race and fest and show. And it's really the biggest thing in all of the Midwest. And it goes on from Friday to Sunday. Today's Sunday, and it's because I hemmed and hawed about going and taking the time and spending the money and leaving Sarah and all that stuff. So, but finally I decided I would be upset if I didn't go at least one day. But it's so far, and so I'm up at 4. Well, stay tuned. If I make it without falling to sleep, then we'll get to see together some cool stuff, I hope. I've never been, but it's finally time. I've put it off every year, and here we go. Well, yay, I'm almost there. It's only been 5 hours. I made pretty good time, though. I only stopped once, which is not usual for me. And now I'm starting to see a whole bunch of cool cars. I saw a Jaguar XJE and some other Jaguars and an MG, and it makes me excited that I'm getting close. It also makes me jealous that I couldn't drive one of my cool cars. I drove one of my newer semi-cool cars. It was just too far, and I couldn't imagine driving 5 hours in one of mine. I might have made it, but I still would have only been halfway here. So I'm excited. I almost turned around a couple times just because I got tired of driving, and was thinking about my bed and crawling in. I decided to at least put the top down and make a good entrance, even if I don't have an old car with me. It needs to be half cool. It's like the middle of nowhere. I don't know where I am, but I heard a race car.
Justin Frick and Paul Isaac, Patrick Donnelly, the first 3 rows. Welcome to. For more information, visit the club's website at www.racarclub.com or call Road America at 1-800-365-7223.
Starting to lose focus. Like too many. I don't even know what to do. If I go over here, this is where everyone's lined up for the next race. This is fun. For those who've never been here, it's like a huge track. Everything's open. It's all free. And you can just wander around and see all the cars. Oh, here comes some more. And then they have different races with different classes. These are some of the Porsches, I think, or some of the 1970s cars. I saw a few like the ones I have. They're the cars like I have. Maybe souped up a little, but they still stop. This is kind of the best view in the house. I'm up on a pole, sort of tower, and I can see the racetrack goes off into the forest and stuff. And from here, I can see all the signs. New races started. Fun to watch. think this is the warm-up lap. Let's go going slow. I'm scared of heights, so as soon as I come around, I'm gonna get down off this thing. I keep feeling like it's gonna tip over, although probably it won't. Hi again. Well, I'm heading home now, cruising along at 90, pretending I'm driving one of those vintage cars. I wish. Oh, so much fun. I still got my earphones or my earplugs in, so if I'm talking too loud, that's why. I just don't want to take them out and spoil the, remind myself that it's all over. So it was worth the drive. It's just so cool, the noise and the smells. Those people, I mean, I'm sure they don't want to crash, but those people driving $100,000 or $500,000 vintage cars out there were really racing. Like, they're really trying to win, I can tell. They're going so fast. Anyway, something to aspire to. I'd love to be out there too. It looked like so much fun.